So let's begin chapter 12, that is fundamental concepts and operations. Okay, before beginning the exercises of this chapter, I am going to explain some points. The first is the constant and the variable. What is the constant and the variable? Constant means whose value never changes. Constant means whose value never changes, like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These value never changes. Pi, the value of pi is 22/7. The values which never changes are called constant. And the variable is the term which we get by solving. For example, x, y, a, b, z. Okay, means all the lettered value whose value we get by solving the questions. Okay, did you understand this? When these variable and the constants are combined with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, then they form algebraic expression. When these constant and variable combine with this addition, subtraction and multiplication, division, then it forms algebraic expression. Okay, and next we have the polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variable have non-negative integral exponent. Means the exponent like variable should not be in denominator and their power should not be negative. Those expressions are called polynomial. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When the constant and variable has only one term, then it is called monomial. When it has two terms, then it is called binomial. For example, if it is only 2x, then it has only one term, monomial. If it is 5x plus 7, two terms, binomial. 9x plus 7, two terms. 2x square plus 5x, two terms, binomial. 2x cube plus 7x plus 9, three terms, trinomial. If the expression has more than 3, like 2x square plus 5x plus 7 plus 9y, it has 4 terms, so it is called polynomial. Okay, if the expression contains more than 3 terms, then it calls polynomial. Okay, the next we have the exercise. Let's begin the exercise. But before beginning the exercise, one more term, degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is called its degree. Highest power. If this type of expression is given, its highest power is 2. So the degree is 2. If the expression is given 2x square plus 7x cube plus 9x raised to power 5 plus 4x, highest power is 5. So its degree is 5. If it contains more than one variable, like 2x square y, 7x square y square plus 2x cube y square. Okay, in this type of question, we'll add the powers of the variable. Here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 5. It is 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, it is 3 plus 2 5. Highest power is 5, so its degree is 5. Okay, when we write degree, then only we write the power. So in first question, you can identify the polynomial. The terms, I am going to explain it in the book. Here it contains non-negative power, so it is polynomial. Here the p is in denominator, so it is not a polynomial. It is also polynomial because there is no variable in the denominator and the power is also not negative. Here it is in denominator, so it's not a polynomial. It is also not a polynomial because the power is in fraction. It is also not polynomial because it is in denominator. It is polynomial because there is no negative or fractional power of variable and there is no variable in the denominator. Okay. Here we have to identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. It contains one term, monomial. Only one term, monomial. Two terms, binomial. Here we have three terms, so it's trinomial. It contains four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is polynomial. Okay. Next we have arranged the polynomial in decreasing degree in x. The question is, four x square y square minus 7xy cube plus 2x raised to power 4 minus 3y raised to power 4 plus x cube y. We have to write it in decreasing degree in x. Highest power is 4. First we will write this term. Then the second is, which sign we will write? Then we will write square. Then we will write minus 7xy cube. Then without x term, that is minus 3y raised to power 4. Okay. In next question, we have to give the degree. Write the highest power of it, like 3. If its power is 1. Here we have 3 plus 2, 5. And here we have the degree 0 because there is no power. Here you have to break the literal as well as the variables. Numerical as well as the literal coefficient. 2 and the pi is the constant. You will write constant or numerical. R is the literal coefficient or variable. 6 is the numerical. X square y square is the literal coefficient or variable. Here we have minus 5 numerical, a b square literal coefficient. So like this we can solve it. Okay. If still you have any confusion, then you can ask me personally. I have completed this exercise. So I hope you all have understood. Is there any confusion in any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you have still 15 minutes in this period. So solve this exercise and send it to me in PDF form in my personal chat box. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I want all the PDFs. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.